To withdraw money from a Scotiabank ATM, start by inserting your debit card into the designated slot. Wait for the ATM to retrieve your profile and banking details. Next, enter your PIN and select the OK option. The ATM will then display your account information. So be patient and wait for this process to complete. Once you have access to your account, select the Withdrawal option and choose the account from which you'd like to withdraw funds. In this case, it may be a checking account. Then, choose the amount you want to withdraw, keeping in mind that the minimum amount is $20 and the maximum amount is $1,000. After selecting the amount, the ATM will prepare your cash. So wait for this process to finish. Remove your card and wait for the green light to start blinking, indicating that your cash is ready. You can then retrieve your cash from the ATM. This straightforward process allows you to easily withdraw money from your Scotiabank account using an ATM.